Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddhi Doshi and currently I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today we will discuss about the topic creativity and innovation. So now let us see what is creativity. Creativity implies creating new stuff by combining two or more existing ideas. Creativity is an act, idea, or product that changes an existing domain or that transforms an existing domain into new one. Creativity can be described as the discovery of something that is novel but also useful to relevant or economical valuable. Also, now let us see what are the types of creativity. First type of creativity is primary creativity. Primary creativity deals with spontaneous creations. Second is secondary creativity. It is more deliberate and skilled as in the application of ideas and insight to inventions. Third is technical creativity. Technical creativity aims at finding out improvement in a process so as to improve efficiency. The fourth is inventive creativity. It aims at making or devising new combination of ingredients. The fifth is innovative creativity. It involves for reaching application of more basic ideas such as management application of principles of psychological to develop a much more effective system for motivating staff. The last is emergentive creativity. It consists of new revolutionary principles for an art or science such as psychoanalytical concepts of frauds. Now let us see what are the creative process. The creative process are the first process is preparation, the second is accumulation, third is insight, fourth evaluation and the fifth is elaboration. Now let us see what is the first process means. The first process, that is preparation, it seems that successful creations are perceived by investigating and information gathering. It can be achieved by gathering information from journals, attending meetings, seminars, etc. The second is incubation. Incubation is like creative person allows their subconscious mind to dwell over tremendous amount of ideas and information accumulated during the preparation phase. The third is insight. This is the moment when the person is able to locate solution to their problems. Generally in most of the cases ideas comes to person an incremental way. The person improves on solutions slowly and steadily. The fourth is evaluation. This phase is regarded as the most emotional trying part when one feels uncertain and insecure and thinks about reaction of other people. The fifth is elaboration. This is the most difficult step of creativity endeavor and requires great self-discipline, dedication and perseverance. I hope I am clear with creativity. Now let us see what is innovation. Innovation is all about looking at your customers and seeing things from their viewpoint, not yours. Innovation is a business affair. It is about creating value by challenging the culture and how we do things around here. Let us see what are the modules of innovation. The first module of innovations is innovation. It is the production of totally new product, service or process so far untapped. The second is extension. It involves new use or application of an already existing product, service or process. The third is duplication. It is the replication of an already existing product, service or process of an already existing process. So it is not merely copying but adding something new which creating touch to enhance or improve the existing concept. Fourth is synthesis. It is the combination of existing concepts and ideas and devising a way so that together they may form a new application. Now let us see who innovates. Who innovates? We see that there are many, we can say that educated individuals, higher in social standing, less dogmatic, better equipped to deal with abstraction, more respect due to risk in general, high in achievement motivation, high in social participation, more cosmopolitan, more often engaged in interpersonal communication. Also, the last is active information seeker. So, here I end up with my discussion and I hope I made it clear. Thank you.